This is the all-new 2019 Toyota Avalon Limited in Windchill White. The Limited is equipped with premium LED headlights, and it's longer, lower, and wider than previous models, giving it a sleek aerodynamic profile. From the back, the 2019 Avalon looks impressive riding on 18-inch alloy wheels with an integrated rear spoiler, shark fin antenna, and dual chrome exhaust tips. For extended tours, there's plenty of luggage capacity in the full-size trunk. From the driver's side, this luxury sedan looks great with a bold new grille with chrome accent trim, an integrated front spoiler, and power moonroof. Inside, the cabin looks sophisticated and modern with rich gray leather upholstery, dual-zone climate control AC, power heated and ventilated seats with driver seat memory, dynamic radar cruise control, heated rear seats, power windows and locks, tilt steering, and an amazing JBL surround sound audio system with Entune 3, Apple CarPlay, navigation, and a backup camera. The interior is beautifully designed and includes contoured bucket seats with embossed stitching, and in the back there's a drop-down center console and plenty of legroom for your passengers. There's no shortage of performance with a 301 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The all-new 2019 Toyota Avalon Limited drives as good as it looks. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 Leith Head Road in Kelowna.